Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tip Tuesdays, and in this video we are going to look at 3 ways that you can access the File Explorer on your computer. Here is my YouTube channel. If you are not subscribed, kindly subscribe, and let's get into the video. So the first step is usually the easy one that most people know, whereby you need to go to your start button. In my computer I have my taskbar at the top here. So this is where my start button is. So most of the time you need to go there, you right click and you select File Explorer. This is the easiest option that new learners in computer can learn how to use. So let's go to the second method. I'll close this one. The second method is accessing the File Explorer through the taskbar. When you look at my taskbar at the top here, you can see the File Explorer here. It's always there. So when you click at it, it gives you the File Explorer. So for the people who know what is it, that is how they access. Actually, that is how I access my File Explorer, because it's easier to locate it there. And now let's go to the third method, whereby you will be using computer shortcuts. And the computer shortcuts for today is pressing the Windows button on your keyboard plus letter E on your keyboard, and you get your Windows Explorer. The Windows button is the one which has something like 4 windows. It's usually on the bottom left of your keyboard. When you press it and then plus letter E, you get the File Explorer. So guys, that is how you can get the File Explorer on your Windows in today's Tech Tip Tuesday. Until next time, see you in the next video.